Draw learning. Today we are going to draw flash while we learn Spanish. We draw the head, that is said, CABEZA. We draw the arm, that is said, BRAZO. Let's go with the legs, which in Spanish is PIERNAS. Now we draw his famous symbol. Now we draw the eyes, which in Spanish is OJOS. Now the mouth. Mouth in Spanish is said BOCA. We draw a ray. Now we use a larger marker to highlight our drawing. We painted their eyes black, which in Spanish is NEGRO. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say ray in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. We use this color for skin. Skin in Spanish is said PIEL. Now we use red, which in Spanish is ROJO. Let's go with the yellow color, that in Spanish is said AMARILLO. Let's see if you know the answer. Ray in Spanish is said RAYO. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.